Everybody, this is my mom. In today's video we're going to be opening a camera that my mom ordered in the mail that I talked about in my last video actually.
I don't know, I forgot the name of it. There was no review on YouTube for this camera. It is a YouTube vlogger camera. I ordered it from Walmart online. I'm excited. Looks a little bit lower than I thought it was going to be. Got a microphone, a remote, some cords, some more cords, a battery, and the camera. It's a lot smaller than I thought it was going to be. This looks like one of the mini cameras.
Well, Mom, how big do you want it to be?
Bigger than this. Wow. Woohoo! Okay. This is what name of the camera is this? I forgot.
Should say it on the thing.
It doesn't. DVC digital video camera.
Show this
That's
part.
not the name of it though. .7K touch panel, 18 times digital zoom, megapixels, still image recordings. Let's see if I plug it in. See if it's charged. How do I put it in now? I'll break it now. Supposed to be able to open that, and that's where all your little stuff goes. Okay. That's where the battery goes. I'm not sure which way it goes, but okay. That. I think it's got plastic on it. I want to keep it on plastic as long as I can. It helps if I take this off.
Yeah, so you can see, Mom. The picture is really good. If you guys can't see, the picture looks pretty good.
Here, put it on the camera. See the camera? Yeah.
I'm holding the phone with one hand. Sorry if it shakes.
No, that's as nice as it gets. Okay, how the hell do you turn it off now? Oh, power. Okay. Oh, I've been recording this whole time. Goodbye. Pretty nice. I paid $80-something for it. Let's figure out this stupid piece. And that wraps it up. Charging cord, computer cord, microphone, remote, the whole shebang. You guys have a good one. Oh, okay, I see how it goes. I'm so scared to do anything with it. Okay, that's how it goes in.
Okay, everybody, that's it for this video. Like, subscribe, comment down below if it lets you, and have a good day.
This is...
Can you press this?